بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book, page 20. So student, first we will revise our previous topic, parts of a plant. We had read about parts of plant that plant has many different parts that are flowers, leaves, stems and roots. And then we read about function of these parts. That flower is the reproductive part of plant. It become fruits and seeds, and when we grow these seeds, it grow into new plant. Then we read about roots, and the function of the roots are it take water from the soil and it hold the plant in the ground. Leaves make food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis, and during photosynthesis oxygen is produced, and that oxygen is used by human beings for breathing. And in return we give carbon dioxide to the plant, and plant use this carbon dioxide in photosynthesis for making food. And then we read that stem act like a bridge. It carries food from leaves to the flowers and roots, and water from the roots to the leaves and flowers. And it also support the other parts of plant. And then we read flowers are different in colors, shape and size. Some flowers are used for decoration, some are used for medicines, and some flowers grow into fruits. Now today our topic is parts of a fruit. Parts of a fruit. Fruits have a skin on the outside. Fruits have a skin on the outside. They have a fleshy inner part. They have a fleshy inner part. They have seeds in the middle. They have seeds in the middle. Look at here, papaya. Papaya. The outermost cover is called skin of a fruit. The outermost cover of a fruit is called skin, and this is fleshy part. Fleshy part is used as a food, and this is the middle part, and in this seeds are present, and in the middle seeds are present. Some fruits are covered by pods. Some fruits are covered by pods. Pods are a container like in which seeds are present. Example, pea and bean. These are seeds and this is a pod. Now come to next page. Seeds. Some fruits have only one seed. Some fruits have only one seed. Example, plum, mango, etc. It has only one seed. Some have a few seeds. Some have a few seeds. Example, orange. Orange have few seeds. Some have many seeds. Some have many seeds. Example, pomegranate. Pomegranate have many seeds. Seeds grow into plants. Seeds grow into plants. Fruits have seeds and that can grow into new plants. Many seeds grow into trees. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. Look at here. These all seeds are different from each other in shape and in sizes. Nuts are hard shelled fruits of some plants. Nuts are hard shelled fruits of some plants. Nuts are hard shelled fruits of some plants. They have one seed and a hard shell. Nuts have outermost cover, hard outermost cover called shell, and they have one seed. They have one seed. So students, now your homework is concept check. Are these statements true or false? Are these statements true or false? Put a T or F next to each one. Number 1, leaves make food for the plant. True or false? If it is true, so you will write T. Or if you think that it is false, so you will write F. Number 2, fruits take in water. True or false? 3, all trees have fruits. True or false? Fruits have a skin on the outside, fleshy inner part, and seeds in the middle. True or false? So this is your homework. So okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.